In this video, I'll show you how to properly uninstall apps and programs on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Uninstalling old or unused apps is good practice, as it helps free up valuable disk space and can improve system performance. To get started, right-click on the Windows Start menu icon and select Settings from the list. Navigate to the Apps tab on the left-hand sidebar, and then click on Installed Apps. Here, you will find a complete list of all the applications installed on your system. You can scroll through to find the program you want to remove, or use the search box at the top to find it quickly. When you find the app you want to uninstall, click the three dots on the far right and then select Uninstall. Confirm your choice by clicking Uninstall again. Click Yes on the security prompt and then simply follow the uninstallation wizard that appears on the screen to complete the process.